These ground turkey and barley stuffed peppers skip the rice. Yep, that means no rice, and deliver a savory, smoky, and slightly sweet punch packed with bold Italian spices and nutty, wholesome barley. Grab a pot and get a cup and a half of water and the chicken bouillon bubbling away. Add the barley, give it a stir, and cover it up and let it simmer for 55 minutes. One thing I've never been sold on was the whole blanching the peppers, so I decided to char the peppers instead. Slice them through the stem, make them easy to stuff, and they look so stylish. A quick trip under the boiler gave these peppers a sweet caramelized depth that blanching could never deliver. I tossed them in olive oil, garlic, some pepper, and some salt. Arrange the bell peppers cut side down. Broil until the bell peppers and garlic are spotty brown, about 5 minutes. For the filling, we're going to put in a splash of olive oil in the saute pan over medium-high heat. We're going to crumble your ground turkey sausage using the back of a wooden spoon and cook it until it starts to brown, but still has some pink bits. Add diced onion, Italian seasoning, and the remaining garlic. And a good grind of pepper. Remove the stuffing and place in a bowl. Set it aside, but keep the pan for cooking the mushrooms. Let's take those peppers out of the oven and let them cool. But now we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. In the same pan, add the mushrooms and cook them until they sweat out all their liquid. Don't rush them, they're doing their thing. Now let's toss in a handful of fresh spinach and stir until it's just wilted and still bright green. Stir in the marinara sauce. I like to use a good quality jarred sauce just to streamline the process, make it a little bit easier. And then we're going to add that yummy sausage mixture, the cooked barley, some Parmesan. Now we're going to give it a good stir and mix it all up so it's nice and combined. Flip those roasted pepper halves, cut side up on the baking sheet, and spoon in that sausage barley filling into each one. Pack it nice and snug, even give it a little mound on the top. We're going to slide this tray into the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. At the 15-minute mark, let's sprinkle the remaining cheese over the peppers. Press it gently to make sure it stays put. Keep baking until the peppers are heated through. Enjoy! Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Substack. For the full recipe, grab the link below.